What happens in your life if you stop using your social media after 9:30? They say top 3% of performers wake up at 4 a.m. So I thought, let's see how it helps in a trader life. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kelsey and I'm full-time trader. I'm using the schedule from last 60 days and it really helped me a lot. Initially I was questioning my decision, but with period of time it helped me a lot. So let me just break down what happened with me when I started waking up at 4 a.m. along with my schedule, how it helped me to fix my trading journey and how it changed my trading journey, my mindset, my lifestyle. It was very difficult in the beginning of my journey because no snooze, no late night calls, no YouTube while having food. I was able to make it work after a week. If you are not able to figure out, you should keep trying it. I wake up at 4 a.m., no snooze, no delay, no more 5 minutes, just pure 4 a.m. After waking up at 4 a.m., I spend 30 minutes to myself. I get up, do some stretching, shower. From 4:30 to 5:30, I sit on my desk, I do journaling, I plan out my day, what I want to do, what things I need to take in today's session. For my mentorship, I used to usually trade in London session or New York session, but nowadays I'm getting a good setup in Asian session. So I sit in front of charts to understand market structure, what market is behaving, what market might move, where my setup can form, and I plan my trade. After planning my trade, I go to gym from 6 to 8, 2 hours proper strength training and cardio. After that, I come home, freshen up, complete my protein intake. After that, I sit in front of chart to monitor my position, adjust my stop loss accordingly. After that, I will sit down and journalize my trade. I was feeling during trade, if my trade is running, how many pips I have captured, along with the timing. Journaling helps a lot to get more focused and more concentrated towards your goal, and it helps you to keep a proper track. After journalizing, I have my session at 2. So before session, I do my lunch around 12. Why I go in gym in early morning? Before you train your mind to get on your work, you have to train your body. If you are into trading, it's not like you are only trading the particular things. You need to keep learning things, you have to keep adding things. I'm done with the trade, closed my position, I share my trade results into my Telegram channel. You can get my Telegram channel link from the description, and once I'm done with trading, I will journalize everything and I will review what things I can fix, maybe risk reward ratio, or I can also look into entry exit criteria. After that, I do 3-4 hours deep work, no screen time, no social media, just charts and my journal. And I do learn things in different currency pairs or different commodities. Friend test my strategy. If I'm learning some new strategies, I will implement in gold, because I only trade gold nowadays, but I want to add few more currency pairs or element, whichever I feel comfortable with. And in evening around 6 or 7:30, I just sit down to have my dinner. Once my dinner is done, I will take a session at 8. After 9, I will sit down, I will just review my trade. I will journalize what I did in a day, what mistakes I did in today's trade. Was it a profitable trade or not profitable trade? After that, 9:30, I don't scroll. I journalize things offline because it's very easy for our mind to get tricked and go towards social media. These are my last year journal. This was my first journal which I started in mid 2024. I write down in different books different things. For example, this is my personal diary. I just note down in this journal how I'm feeling, what was my emotions during a day, a part of trade. This is my planner. I plan my day in this planner. This is my trading journal where I just note down about my trades, about the plan. I have one more journal. In this, I just wrote down my content ideas. Let me explain you why. If you keep writing down, your brain will just forget that things. I just write it down so my brain can get more space to get more ideas. Trading is not just a number game. It is a number game. Like, you have to more focused on risk reward, risk management, stop loss. But when you will more focused on number, you will just make end up making wrong decisions, which can be you might just take a random trades to clear your trading phases, or just to get your first payout. Or if you are trading in live account, you may end up blowing your account because you are more focused on number. If you are beginner in a trading journey, For you, initially making $100 will be a big deal. Once you will be regularly making $100, then $1,000 will be a big deal. Then 2,000. So number is just a part of journey. Don't focus on number. Waking up at 4 a.m. gave me more clarity, more time for myself. My schedule is fixed. In morning there is an Asian session going on, so I am able to even capture my Asian session, more exposure to understanding market structure and market behavior. If I'm not able to capture Asian session trade, maybe market must be consolidating, or market must be slow, or it's not getting into my setup. Maybe it's just violating a single rule. Yes, waking up at 4 a.m. helped me to become more profitable. I am able to capture good risk reward. In last 60 days, I am able to control the numbers of trade. It helped me to control my mind, because already I am writing down all my emotions, all my mental state situations. So my mind is more controlled. I am not taking impulsive decision, random trades, and also I am more focused on my setup. Initially, I was very sales biased person. If I'm getting any selling trade, I will just avoid buying trade, irrespective of how much pips I'm able to capture. But in last 60 days, I have captured two good buying trades, good 600 to 1000 pips, and it was a very breakthrough for my journey, because it helps you to give more exposure. You will able to understand more about market. Yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question, any doubt related to schedule, or how you can fix your trading journey, then just do drop a comment in comment section, or you can feel free to ask any question in comment section. So that's it for today. See you in next video.